In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Goodnotes on Windows. There are two simple ways to do this, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose the option that works best for you. The first method uses the Microsoft Store, which is usually the easiest and most recommended option because Windows handles the download and installation automatically. Start by clicking the Start menu on your taskbar, then type Microsoft Store and press Enter to open it. Once the store is open, click the search bar at the top, type Goodnotes, and press Enter. From the search results, select the official Goodnotes app. Make sure you're choosing the correct app so you avoid installing anything unofficial. Next, click the blue Get or Install button. Windows will begin downloading and installing the app for you, so all you need to do here is wait for it to finish. When the installation is complete, click Open, or you can find Goodnotes later in your Start menu. Once the app launches, sign in using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. After signing in, you'll be able to access the free trial, which includes up to 3 notebooks. If you'd rather use Goodnotes as a web app, that's another easy option. Open your preferred web browser and go to goodnotes.com. From there, sign into your account or create a new one if needed. After you're logged in, click the three-dot menu or browser menu icon in the top right corner. Look for the Apps option, then choose Install this site as an app. In some browsers, this may appear as Create Shortcut instead. When prompted, check the option to add a desktop icon, then click Install. This creates a shortcut so you can launch Goodnotes directly from your desktop, similar to a regular app. And that's it. You now have Goodnotes installed on your Windows device using either the Microsoft Store or a browser-based app setup.